The term climate change refers to long-term shifts in weather patterns and average temperatures. Since the mid-1800s, humans have played a large role in releasing greenhouse gases into the air, largely through the use of oil, gas, and coal for homes, factories, and transport, as well as through modern farming methods and the cutting down of forests, which causes temperatures to rise. Greenhouse gases, mostly carbon dioxide (CO2), trap the sun's heat and cause the planet's temperature to rise. Since the 19th century, the amount of CO2 in the atmosphere has increased by 50%, and the world is currently between 1.0 C and 1.2 C, warmer than it was in the late 1800s, depending on different trusted estimates. A series of UN reports, produced by some of the world's leading scientists, suggest that limiting global temperatures to a rise of no more than 1.5 C would help us all avoid the worst impacts. Taking stock of current emissions and the current actions of individuals, nations, and international bodies across the world, the temperature of the climate will likely rise to around 3.2 C by the end of the century. But climate change is not simply about warming temperatures. It encompasses so much more. Our planet is complex and interconnected, with interdependent and fragile ecosystems, which means that even the smallest changes can have massive impacts.